Hello students, find here test number 1 of 20 marks from biology section for class 10th students. Question number 1 to 8 are of 1 mark each. Question 1. In plants, the role of cytokinins is cytokinins promote cell division in plants and present in greater concentration in the area of rapid cell division such as fruits and seeds. Question 2. One of the events that do not occur during photosynthesis is A. Chlorophyll absorbs solar energy. This happens during the photosynthesis. B. Carbon dioxide is released during the process. No, this event does not take place in photosynthesis. Rather, carbon dioxide is absorbed during the process and oxygen is released during the process. So, correct choice is B. Question 3. Observe the following diagram and identify the process and its significance from the following option. This diagram is showing the process transpiration, which creates suction force which pulls water inside the plant. Actually, transpiration is the evaporation of water vapor from the surface of the plant and it creates suction force which pulls water inside the plant. Question number 4. In an experiment with pea plants, a pure tall plant T is crossed with pure short plant t. The ratio of pure tall plant to pure short plants in F2 generation will be, in F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio is 3:1, where 3 are tall plant and 1 is short plant, while the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, where 1 is pure tall plant, 2 are hybrid tall plant and 1 is pure short plant. So, the ratio of pure tall with pure short plant is 1:1. So, correct answer is C. Question number 5. The thread-like structures that develop on moist slice of bread in rhizospores are hyphae. Correct answer is D. Question 6. Deletion of ozone is mainly due to chlorofluorocarbon compounds. So, correct option is A. Question number 7 and 8 are of assertion reason type questions. To do these questions, read these instructions and then solve them. Question number 7. Assertion statement. The inner walls of the small intestine have finger-like projections called villi, which are rich in blood. This is the correct statement. Small intestines की inner walls में finger like projections होते हैं जिन्हें villi कहा जाता है and they are richly supplied with blood vessels. This is the correct statement. Now see the reason statement. These villi have a large surface area to help the small intestine in completing the digestion of food. This is the wrong statement. These villi have large surface area to help the small intestine in completing the absorption of food and not the digestion of food. So, reason statement is wrong. Assertion is correct. So, option C is the correct answer. Question 8. Assertion statement. Frogs mostly occupy the second trophic level in a food chain. This is wrong. Plants occupy first trophic level. Herbivores always occupy second trophic level, while frog, which is a carnivore, it occupies third trophic level in a food chain. So, this is the wrong statement. Now, see the reason statement. Frogs mostly feed on insects which depends on plants. This is the correct statement. So, here assertion is wrong, but reason is correct statement. So, option D is the answer. Question number 9. Name the part of brain which is responsible for the following functions. A. Maintaining posture and balance, cerebellum. Beating of heart, medulla. Thinking, cerebrum or forebrain, blood pressure, medulla. Question 10. Where are auxins synthesized in a plant? Auxins are synthesized in shoot tip and root tip of the plant. Which organ of the plant shows A. Positive phototropism? Shoot tip shows positive phototropism. It moves towards the light. B. Negative geotropism. Shoot tip shows negative geotropism. It moves away from the gravity. C. Positive hydrotropism. Roots show positive hydrotropism. Roots move towards water. Now there is a choice in question number 10. DDT was sprayed in a lake to regulate breeding of mosquitoes. How would it affect the trophic levels in the following food chain associated with lake? Justify your answer. DDT is a non-biodegradable pesticide. It is not broken by the living organism and will enter in the food chain. And as it enters in the food chain, its concentration increases from lower trophic level to higher trophic level in a food chain. And hog will have the highest concentration of DDT in its body. Question 11, Part A. What is double circulation? Double circulation means when blood flows twice through heart, it is called as double circulation. Part B. Why is the separation of right side and left side of the heart useful? In birds and mammals, there are 4 chambers in the heart, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Right side of the heart is completely separated from the left side because it helps in separating deoxygenated blood from oxygenated blood. Part C. How does it help birds and mammals? Birds and mammals maintain their body temperature, for which they require constant supply of energy, and separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood provides sufficient oxygen for this purpose. Question number 12, Part 1. Name and explain the 2 modes of asexual reproduction observed in Hydra. 2 modes of asexual reproduction in Hydra are A. Budding, B. Regeneration. This is budding. Along with the explanation, draw the diagram. This is regeneration. Along with the explanation, try to draw the diagram. Now part 2. What is vegetative propagation? When new plant grows from vegetative part of the plant, means from stem, from leaf or from root. This is called as vegetative propagation. List 2 advantages of using this technique. 3 advantages are given here. You can write any 2 of them. Question 12 has a choice. Part A of question number 12. Name the 2 types of pollination and differentiate between them. 2 types of pollination are self-pollination and cross-pollination. Check the definition of these 2. Now part B of the question. Explain the post-fertilization changes that occur in the ovary of the flower. Fertilized ovule changes into seeds while wall of the ovary changes into fruit. Part C of the question. Given below is a diagram of germinating seed. Label the parts. Number 1. Gives rise to future shoot. A. Plumule give rise to future shoot. Part 2. Gives rise to future root system. B. Radicle. Radicle forms the future root. Third part. Stores food. Cotyledons. C. Cotyledons store the food. Find here the answers of question number 1 to question number 8. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.